Now today I'm testing something very different, okay? This is the INMO Air 3, and they claim to be the world's first 1080p full-color optical waveguide all-in-one AR glasses. There's no cables, no phones required, just put them on and you're good to go. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox them, test them outdoors in bright daylight, game on them, try remote control, and compare them to the brands like Roku Max and the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Let's see if this is actually the future or just another tech experiment. Let's go. Now right away, the packaging feels premium here. Inside the box, you get the INMO Air 3 glasses, charging cable for the smart ring, remote control, and USB-C. You get a case as well and documentation. Now the first thing I notice here is that these don't look like tech goggles at all. They're very different from Roku, X-Real, and all those other brands. These actually look closer to the Ray-Ban's Meta, like a regular eyewear. That's because INMO designed this with a flat lens eyewear style. Sleek, discreet, and wearable in daily life. And here's the big difference. These are all-in-one. No phone connection required and no wired tether as well. That means I can literally take these camping, go to the beach, on flights, going fishing, and traveling. Just wear it and you're good to go. In my opinion, that already separates this from most AR glasses on the market. Now inside these glasses, you're getting Sony micro OLEDs, 1080p resolution, 600 nits of brightness as well. And honestly, it looks sharp. Colors pop, text is crisp, and no visual pixelation. Now I'm stepping outside in full daylight. This is where most AR glasses actually struggle. But at 600 nits, this is surprisingly usable outdoors. Also, this uses a one-dimensional expanded exit pupil waveguide, which means better clarity, better alignment, and most importantly, privacy. That just means that people next to me can't see what I'm watching. That's actually huge for flights or public use. Now the field of view is 36-degree ultra-wide. And what does that mean in real life? It feels like you're sitting in front of a 150-inch virtual screen. This actually feels like having a personal cinema floating in front of you. And because it's 3D OF floating screen technology, the screen stays fixed in space. If you turn your head, it stays there. If I turn fully around, it's still behind me. And one tap on the smart ring brings it all back. That's actually really immersive. Now the 3D OF smart ring gives you the 3 interaction modes, which is the button plus touchpad, ray interruption, and mouse style control. It honestly feels like you're using a floating iPad in the air. This is very intuitive after a few minutes. And since it's powered by a Snapdragon XR processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, multitasking feels very smooth. Now I love how I can watch YouTube videos in the park, big screen, and no glare issues. Totally private. Now this supports Windows and Mac remote control as well, so you can edit docs, answer emails, move windows around. Honestly, for light work on the go, this is really good. Now let's do some cloud gaming as well. AAA titles on what feels like 150-inch screen. Low latency as well, depends on the internet, but visually, it's super immersive. Now this also has a 120-degree ultra-wide camera. That means hands-free capture, kind of like what you would get with the Ray-Ban Metas. And you can change the viewing as well if you want it vertical or 16:9. Now this is great for travel POV, outdoor hikes, quick content clips. This is very useful for creators. Now compared to the Ray-Ban Metas and also the INMO Air 3, here's the key difference. Most competitors require a phone or wired connection. The INMO Air 3 is standalone. In my opinion, that's a major usability advantage. It also has strong privacy waveguide tech, built-in Snapdragon XR, and full Android app ecosystem. No tethering. Now it feels more like a wearable AR computer than anything else. So, who is this for? This is great for travelers, digital nomads, gamers, tech enthusiasts, anyone who wants a portable private camera. Now, if you want a lightweight AR that actually feels wearable, this is one of the most complete packages I've ever tested. Now, is it perfect? Of course, no device is perfect, right? But as an all-in-one AR system in eyewear form, I am genuinely impressed. I just love how we can have this kind of technology now in 2026. Now, if you want to learn more or grab one, check the link in the description below. There might be a discount code there as well. I don't know if it's still good, but you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any questions at all, I'll see you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!